I'm on a mouse now. Here I am. Here's the car. And there's a dishwasher and we're going to wash it together. Prepare, and today we will do a test of the Uber application. We'll see what comes of it. How much I earn per hour and how much I keep clean. Because oil is now crazy up and that's pretty bad.
Věnové předpříští. Používejte pínu
Our car is washed. Everything is beautiful. Everything is fine just completely. And what we do so join. And we'll park it somewhere here and wait for the first order. As they say, the first order is 25 minutes, 17 kilometers and 5 kilometers to go for her. We take it. Is 1220. We start. We'll see 3 or 4 hours depending on how it goes. Not just 1 hour. So that we can see more of the result. We have to work at least 2 or 3 hours, ideally 4. Then we can make some summary of how much a person can earn when he drives Uber in the year 2026. After almost 50 crowns per liter. Navigation showed. I'm picked up here in the parking lot. And the lady calls me. He's waiting for me outside the polyclinic before the office. That's not bad either. What to look for like this? Aha. F4. Try to explain. Dude, hello. Of course you want here like this. Yeah, please. We feel the roads. This is very difficult to determine where a man should stand. Sometimes it's like this with her. Applications. Here, yeah, there. Yeah, thank you. Well, now it's paying off. And the same thing will eat you up reputation and personal property. What personal property? By that it's that it's yours and you pay for the facade and the roof. So you're paying 8,000 more. Yeah, plus electricity and gas. 10,200, or as it is per month. Yes, and it is yours. That's also not fair, what? Yes. So thank you, have a nice day. See you soon. Have a nice day. The lady is here in the apartment. In that glass. Has 3 KKK. And she said that. Valid. 10,000. And even with the fact that it is impersonal property. It's unfair. It's like you're buying a block of flats here for I don't know. Let's say 6 million. Yeah, you give 6 million or you have a mortgage. And then you pay 10,000 a month. Because you made a facade. You made the roof. That's crazy. That's crazy. Those old ladies are shit. Someone me. Ask dude. Let go, dude.
Teraz musisz dělat takhle, protože jinak ty nikdo nepustí, vole. Prostě vjedeš a pokračuješ.
Good day, Lucka.
Tucka?
It's here? Please. Come on. Someone has shoes. Boot 1. Boot 2. The police are working perfectly. No problems. Go on, buddy. You'll get a shoe, too. Hello, hello.
Dobrý den.
Hello. Hello, the name is Pettis. Pettis, yes, so yeah.
Tak jo.
Let's do it. I accidentally started a ride there. How I was with that lady. And then I didn't see the address. Then I found her and I arrived. So cool, yeah. I was just watching that you have already left. So I'm saying no one's picked me up yet. I don't. Hello, hello. Beautiful automatics. Yeah, thanks. It's not worth driving your car now. Well, I'm riding at the law too.
Aha, fakt.
I need another car to pick up. This with the camera. With this camera as a picture, yeah. It will turn me around for the better. No. Yeah, and it's good. Yeah, that hybrid drives a pig. Yeah, well, that's 2.5. So it makes about 5.5, 6 liters. Gasoline is good. Yeah. It is now even cheaper than diesel. Diesel is better. So that's a good one. Drives nice, chassis nice. So yeah, I took another order. Come on. I took another order. It's 3 kilometers. The Lord left me 215 crowns here. I've already earned 500 and some change. So it goes on. Let's keep going, let's make money. He told me he was driving a supercar, and that he earns quite decent money. Some 300 something per hour. That if he drives 10-12 hours, so he makes 13,000 months a day. We count with you. How much we really earned. How much oil did we lose in 131 kilometers? How much money it costs? How much we are from this? We get clean. Yeah, I don't know her myself yet. So finished. Eat 7,520 crowns. 1,520 crowns in for hours and for minutes. So we have oil there at 305 and 400. Let's say 350, 400. That sounds too much. But 300 pada, 350 is enough. It's not like it's not much. We are oil. They burned 350 crowns. We issued 1,520. We have some cash they gave us. And some tips. About a maximum of 20 crowns. Today's vlog ends like this. How much we earned. It is clear how many kilometers, how many hours. Write in the comments. How do you like it? How do you think it's good or not? What would you do to my city? Subscribe if there is no like. And see you in the next video. Bye.